From coast to coast and from road to track, I have become fully versed in Jaguar's F-Type, and it's become one of my favorite sports cars. It has everything you want in a fast Jag. And now, for a limited time, there's this new variant called the 400 Sport with its own unique flair.
Since its introduction for the 2014 model year, I have fallen hard for the F-Type. Whether coupe or convertible, V6 or V8, rear or all-wheel drive, manual or automatic, Jaguar has created a lusty two-seater anyone with even a modicum of car appreciation will love. With aluminum bent in the most charismatic way, supercharged power, and sports car sound from heaven, there's not much the F-Type doesn't do exceptionally well. For the 2018 model year, the range has been expanded to include a turbocharged 4-cylinder variant, creating 24 unique F-Types from which to choose, ranging in price from $60,000 to $125,000. A light refresh has also been applied with new full LED headlights, front bumpers, and air intakes. And a previous complaint of mine has been addressed. New lightweight seats deliver greater long-trip comfort. To celebrate the changes, Jaguar has issued this 400 Sport Special Edition. The 400 represents the horsepower output of the 3-liter V6, normally tuned to 380. Exclusively available for one model year, the 400 Sport is positioned above the R Dynamic trims and below the V8-powered R model. Pricing starts at around $90,000. This one is rear-wheel, but all-wheel drive is also available. All 400 Sports are equipped with a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters, a pavement-biting limited slip differential with torque vectoring, upgraded stopping power, 20-inch wheels fitted with staggered width Pirelli P0s clinging to the road, a configurable dynamic system individually controlling throttle, transmission, steering, and suspension, a more prominent front splitter, extended side sills, and all of the cool yellow 400 Sport badges. Inside, there are soft but supportive performance seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel. My car adds in the climate package with dual-zone climate control, cooled seats and a heated windshield a la Land Rover, blind spot and reverse traffic detection, and a powered tailgate for an as-tested price of $93,525. Big bucks for sure, but once you drive it, you'll understand why. Put it in dynamic mode, kick the shifter to the left, and let it loose. Unlike most other high-horsepower rear-drive sports cars, the F-Type's power is easily exploitable. This is a car you don't need to take to the track in order to have fun, though it's a hero there too. Grip is prodigious, and its handling is superbly neutral and confidently predictable. Give me a supercharged engine any day over a turbo. This thing reacts immediately, and when the active exhaust is wide open, burbles and backfires are infinitely amusing. 339 pound-feet of torque delivers an unchanged 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds, which is suitably quick. But once you've driven those V8 F-Types, nearly everything feels slow by comparison. But that power is always there when needed, and with hefty steering and shutdown brakes, the 400 Sport is immensely entertaining to drive hard, while at the same time a pussycat when you're just tooling around with an engine stop-start system. The ride quality is exceptionally well balanced for a sports coupe. And for more downforce, there's an automatically deploying rear spoiler, but to trigger it manually, the car needs to be stopped and the engine turned off.
With bigger wheels, wider tires, larger rear brakes, and a more aggressive body kit, the 400 Sport gives you a limited edition F-Type, blending attributes of the 380 horsepower model and the highest order V8 trims. Can I feel the extra 20 horses? No. But this car is so easy to drive hard and fast, while at the same time providing grand touring level comfort, that for me, it strikes the perfect balance of a high-end sports coupe. And this supercharged engine perfectly fits the bill.
Jaguar's infotainment system is a dud, but at least it houses a backup cam. You'll most certainly need it. There's configurable ambient lighting, a high-end Meridian sound system, and a quality feel befitting the brand. It coddles when you want it to and excites at the flip of a switch. Gas mileage is a very respectable 19 mpg city, 27 highway. Even in its fifth year, the F-Type still commands attention and satisfies like few other cars can. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.